Igo chikole chichonsi chogosomya obwalimu aigemenyansi ya Kenya chichabwate keminano gweterasi ekiombe kyabo igo chigosoli chiyo chaba chigwika omwelio ase chaba chigokorekana ase egeti kya Kisii University kikalenge kwaliganibwa ne college ya Sumbe abagosoli korwa chikoleji ime ya Kenya banyara kwenyorera obubwi nigo barachi kumirana na obubwi bande korwa chinsi chorongorwa East Africa ime yense ya Tanzania muri kukitsu Wycliffe Tyson Manyara aroboti rwa Sinchira yo Wikira
chikole chichonsi chigosomya obwalimu ase Kenya ekyo chibwate ekiombe kyabo Kenya Teachers College Sports Association yani KTCSA ekyo chigosoli kyabo chiachagite mwisonde ase geti ya Kisii University ekyo kyalenge kwaliganibwa na college ya Sumbi TTC korwa orosagia rwa Nyanza nchiaika omwelio rero ase litukulia gatatu.
My name is Doreen Chebet Masai from Chester Teachers Training College. I thank God because I have won the race 400 meters hurdles. This is my second time being the gold medalist champion.
Kwa majina ni Collins Wanguzi. Mi chuo changu ni Kericho Teachers College na nakimbilia Rift Valley region. Last year nilikuwa number 2, alafu this year nimekuwa number 1.
Abagosolia ao korwa chikoleji ime ya Kenya mbanyara kuinyorera obubwi.
Firstly, I want to thank the Almighty God for enabling me become the second champion. I was the defending champion shot put, so I'd gone for my medal, and I'm so happy that I was able to defend it.
Machakos TTC feel vizuri, mara yangu ya kwanza kuparticipate kwa college races na imekuwa sawa.
Ndio ijakuwa mbaya, imenipeleka vizuri sana, na ndio ufaulu kwa mbio ni lazima ufanye mazoezi ya kutosha, na pia ujiambie kwa unaweza. Ukishajiambia unaweza, uwezi shindwa.
Ababuyi abo niko barachi kumerana na ababuyi bande korwa chinse chia East Africa asense ya Tanzania.
Amacha Alexina from Meregi TTC. We are here for the Teacher Training Colleges Championship, the Nationals in Kisii Stadium, and we have played a tug of war game. This is the first ever tug of war game to be introduced in the colleges, and we are the winners, we are the champions. We have won against Nyanza region, and we are so excited, we are so happy thanks to our coach.
Kuripoti Gatembe, Wycliffe Tyson Manyara.